My YouTube channel, Let's Encode the Logic. Hope you all are doing good. From today onwards, I am going to provide you coding tutorial on Python. Without wasting our time, let's quickly jump into the session. In today's video, we are going to discuss about what is Python, why do we need to use Python, and applications of Python. What is Python? When you hear this word, Python, you will get a vision of a reptile animal. It's a venomous snake. It's a very dangerous snake. Yes, Python represents a snake, but also it's a coding language. Python is one of the most widely used and popular programming languages, was developed by Udo van Rossum, and he is the gentleman who created and developed the Python. Python is a high-level, interpreted, interactive, object-oriented, and a reliable language that is simple and uses English-like words. Initially, the Python version 1 is released in 1991, and the version 2 is released in 2000, and the present version is Python 3.9. And the name Python came from the BBC comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus. Why Python? Python is a free and open source language with a very simple and clean syntax, which makes it easy for developers to learn Python. Python grows exponentially due to its simplistic nature and the ability to perform several functions in fewer lines of code. Due to its ability to support powerful computations using powerful libraries, it is used in various domains and it becomes the reason for huge demand for Python developers across the world. Companies are willing to offer amazing packages and benefits to these developers. It was designed with an emphasis on code reliability, and its syntax allows programmers to express their concepts in just a few lines of code. And applications of Python. Python is used in several domains like data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, scientific computer scripting, networking, game development, web scraping, and various other domains. That's why Python is called as general purpose programming languages. Here are some other applications of Python. That's it for today's video. In the coming videos, we'll be diving into the Python more. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this coding tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow coding buddies, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and of course, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Your support means a lot and it helps our community grow. Happy coding!